Whoa, careful.
What are you doing, Ethan?
Are you painting?
No, my hold it.
Oh, it's too heavy for you alone.
No, my do it.
Hold it with both your hands, then you can do it. Woo! Careful.
What color is that, Ethan?
I'm painting
What color?
a brown,
It's blue.
a brown,
It's still blue over there.
a brown,
Blue!
a gray.
It's blue. You don't want to believe it. Look, you painted blue on the closet. Oh! Oh.
Uh-oh, no good. You painted your hand to live me. Show me your hand.
Show Bamba.
Uh-oh. You got blue fingers.
Take
Now,
it,
what
take
do we
it.
do?
Take it. Are you